Hello, welcome my friends. On the last video, as you see in my YouTube channel, that was basically a introduction and the roadmap of what we learn and what we'll get the output from our this series. So, as per now, the next part we move to our next topic is variable and data types. That was our first chapter, also first program we will run in this video. But before starting this first program, I want to clear that if you want specially for like installation of IntelliJ and Java, so please write in the comment because I think everyone can install easily. But if anyone, even a single person, have any issue while installing IntelliJ and Java, just comment. So I will make a separate video of installation of IntelliJ and Java 100%. So now continue. So now continue over the topic variables and the data types. So in this video, I will show you all the topics of what is variable and all the data types with proper in-depth knowledge. Today we write our first program. So today what we do, we will write our first program and explain and I will explain basic working. And after that in-depth knowledge of a data type. I will showcase you all the hidden things and the in-depth concepts of the data type, which can you rarely seen on internet. So if your data type concept is super is clear, then you can handle very easily in future projects. Like you can save a lot of things in the memory management and log files. So don't bit confused of what are log files and memory management. I will explain you later as we move to when we move more advanced topic you can get superly clear about all the things whatever I'm saying now. So for now you have to just understand like first you see what is currently going on this video and then I'm super clear 100% sure that after this video your variable and data type will be 100% clear. So let's start with our first program. Open your IntelliJ now. You will see the interface of IntelliJ just like this. And if anyone still have any issue while installing IntelliJ and Java, just tell me again. I will make a separate video for that. So don't wasting the time and let's create our first program. So we have to just create a new empty file with the Java extension. New. Have to go new file like what will give first program dot Java. Java is basically a extension name. .java is an extension. So basically, extension is basically a file type. It tells our system that what type of the file is this. Here, you see that what type of file is this. So like we will see lot of file with extension like .py, .txt, and so on. So this tells our system that we will generating a file with that proper feature of that extension. Like if you use the .java, then this file contains only a Java related content like file, content, data type, object, class, and everything. And if .py, that means it contains Python file. It doesn't contain any Java file, not even a C++. And for text file, it contains only text content, not even a single image, video, nothing. It only contains written text only. like a .mp4. For this, it contain only audio video, nothing more than that. So we will now continue. You have to just the doing the same thing what I'm doing currently right now. You have to follow the same step, same procedure with me. You don't have to do nothing else. Just follow me. So I will explain everything after running this our first program. I have an extension with that can write my program automatically, but currently I didn't share this extension name with you, so that if we use these extension and shortcuts while learning phase, then it can be very harmful for us for getting more in-depth knowledge. So because if we use shortcuts and the AI in starting, we didn't strong our base. I'm 100% sure if you use extension for automatically write, you didn't understand the Java completely. So let's continue. I'll now we have to run. So you have to see in the bottom left corner these things: version control, program, terminal, and services. You have to go on the terminal and the right Java C, our file name, first program dot Java with the extension name. Remember that you have to also write an extension with a Java C, because it is compiling our file first. After compilation, we have to write Java first program. Then it can write our output hello world. Hello world. So now I will explain you everything step by step very clearly. So now I'll first take the screenshot. So here, first I will tell you about the public class. What is a public class? This term means. So consider public class as a container. Our all the file and all the systems will be present inside this public class and that will run. Outside this class, nothing can be run. Consider it as a container. All our code is present inside this container. Outside that container, our code will not be considered as to be run. And remember, this first program is our file name. File name. If your file name is like main or abc, then rather than on on first program we have to write these things rather than the first program. So actually the file name must be same as the public class name.